Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you on a video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix Facebook login error on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. For the matter, the first thing would be for you to access a particular app store in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, go to the search bar on top and type in Facebook. So very first thing would be simply for you to update your app. Once you have searched it up, go ahead, tap on it, and now you will find update up instead of open. If your app has not been updated for a while, it can cause some of the errors because update is simply giving a refreshment for your app itself, so you have to continuously do that. Update it, and then you're gonna go back and go to your settings. If that doesn't help again, then you have to access settings, and now go to search bar again on top and type in storage over here, and now tap on this storage option, and now it will simply open up the storage of your iPhone. And go ahead, tap on your Facebook app. Now you will find this offload app option. So once you have tap on this off app, you will be able to uninstall that app from your device, but it will not delete all of your data and the information there in app. So you can simply offload it, and you can go back, go to your app store, access that particular app, reinstall it, but it will still have all of your information and data. So that way it will simply help you with that problem of yours. So do it, and then you will be done. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.